In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a survey on Monday.com. We're going to walk through the easiest method, which is using one of Monday.com's built-in survey templates. This is perfect if you want to get up and running quickly without having to build everything from scratch. I'll explain each step as we go so you understand not just what to click, but why you're doing it. First, head over to your Monday.com workspace. On the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see your main navigation panel. Look for the Add icon, usually a plus sign. Go ahead and click that. When the menu opens, choose Template Center. This is where Monday.com keeps all of its ready-made boards for different use cases. Once the Template Center opens, you'll see a search bar at the top. Click on that search bar and type in the word Survey. Give it a second, and you'll see a list of survey-related templates appear. These might include things like customer feedback surveys, event feedback, or an employee engagement survey. For this example, select a survey template that best matches what you're trying to measure. The employee engagement survey is a great starting point if you're surveying your team. After you've chosen your template, click the Use Template button. Monday.com will now create a new board in your workspace based on that template. This board comes pre-configured with useful columns and example items, which saves you a lot of setup time. Along with the board, Monday.com also automatically generates a connected work form. This work form is the actual survey that people will fill out, and all their responses will flow directly into your board. When the new board loads, look toward the top of the board, next to the main table or similar views. You should see a tab labeled Work Form. Click on that tab. This opens the survey editor, where you can fully customize your questions. Here you can modify the existing questions to match your needs, change question types, adjust required fields, and update any text so it fits your audience and tone. Take a moment to preview your work form when you're done editing, just to make sure everything reads clearly and the flow makes sense. Once you're happy with it, you're ready to share the survey link and start collecting responses, all organized neatly in your Monday.com board.